In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a TXT record in Bluehost. If you're looking to verify your domain or manage your domain settings, adding a TXT record could be a vital step. It's a straightforward process, but we'll guide you through each step to ensure you're set up correctly. First, you'll need to log into your Bluehost account. Begin by heading over to the Bluehost Account Manager. Once you've logged in, we'll move on to accessing the DNS settings where we will make our changes. You have a couple of pathways to reach the DNS editor, depending on what you find most convenient. Option A is to start from the Websites tab. In the left sidebar, you'll see a tab labeled Websites. Click on that. In the list that appears, find the domain you want to edit. Next to that domain, there will be a Settings option. Once you're in the domain's settings, navigate to the Domains tab. Here, you'll notice a three-dot menu positioned vertically. Click on this menu and select Advanced DNS Editor. Alternatively, you might find it easier to navigate using Option B, which begins from the Domains tab. Again, look to the left menu where you'll see the Domains option. Click on it and then select the domain in question. Once in this section, you'll find a DNS tab. Click on that, and you'll see an option labeled Manage Advanced DNS Records. Here, you will click plus ADD record, which is where we head next, regardless of which path you took. Now, we're ready to add that TXT record. Within the DNS interface, you'll want to look for the button that says plus ADD record, or sometimes just add record. This will open a new entry form where you'll enter the details for your TXT record. For the record type, ensure you select TXT. That's what tells the system you're entering a text-based record. You'll need to fill out some required fields pertaining to your TXT record. For the host field, it's usually the case that you'll enter an @ symbol for the root domain, or perhaps a specific subdomain if that's what your instructions call for. Then, you'll need to input the TXT value. This is where you enter the specific verification string or SPF DKIM string provided by the relevant service you are working with. Make sure this value is entered exactly as it appears in your instructions. Finally, you'll encounter TTL, which stands for Time to Live. This is typically set to 3600 seconds, equating to 1 hour, or you can use the default setting. Once you've filled in the necessary fields, all that's left is to apply these changes. Click Add or Save Record to ensure everything is updated. That's it. You've successfully added a TXT record to Bluehost. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.